school next week, and you can have a little one-on-one lesson while you write your paragraph. So it'll be real fun. Actually, it's more than a paragraph. It's about 5 for those of you that have joined me after school. Now, moving forward, we have 1 cup equals, someone tell me how many ounces in 1 cup, Mr. Ward? 8 ounces. Okay, fluid ounces because it's a liquid, but okay, 8 ounces is the key. And, you'll see it on, cups and water bottles. It'll say FL, fluid ounces. That's just because it's a liquid. Now, 8 ounces, fluid ounces, FL. Now, in 1 pint, how many cups are in 1 pint, Jesus? 2 cups. Hold on. So if I ask you a question, how many ounces are in a pint, fluid ounces in a pint, how many would you say? How many fluid ounces, Natalie?
2.
Mm-mm. Matt?
16.
16. Okay, because 8 ounces are in 1 cup, and 1 pint there's 2 cups. So 8 plus 8, 16. Now, in 1 quart, QT, 1 quart, how many pints are in 1 quart? Remember your gallon, man, from yesterday. You colored it? Okay, within that 1 quart, okay, how many pints are there? Sergio? 2 pints. That's okay. That's why we're reviewing. Now, last one, in 1 gallon. 1 gallon, how many quarts? Quarts in 1 gallon, Marcus?
4.
4. 4 quarts. So we've taken these notes. You have the Mr. Galliman picture on your iPad saved. Hopefully you have it saved somewhere on Notability that you can pull it up whenever. Question, what, Jesus?
On Excel,
Yeah.
instead of saying pint, it said pound.
I meant pounds.
Are you on the weight section?
I was on
Okay.
I said
Well, if we're going back to weight, right? If we're talking about weight now, 1 pound, that's where it's confusing. I understand that. 1 pound in weight is how many ounces? Do you want to remember this one? Aiden?
169
Ounces in a pound.
I mean pounds.
No, that's all right. Quentin?
169 pounds.
16. See, that's why one's fluid ounces, one's, the weight ounces. Okay? That's what's confusing. The top, and I probably should do a better job at this, okay, on the fluid ounces. Okay, my bad. The bottom here, we're talking about weight ounces. Mrs. Lane? So if we're talking about weight here, does anyone remember how many pounds are in 1 ton? Dominic? 2,000 pounds, okay? 2,000 pounds.
Well, then I would have
Okay, that's also pounds can be shortened to LB. Mrs. Lane, do you know why it's LB? That's what I was thinking. I thought you had the answer. I didn't have the answer. I was seeing if you had something. Just trying to give you a chance to get a point today. All right, so I know. I was trying to give you a chance to get a point. So
Y'all suck.
if I asked you, how many cups are in 1 quart? Think of your gallon man. If I find it, I think I have it on here. Yep, right here. Okay? If I say how many cups, okay? If I say how many cups are in 1 quart, well, guys, look, on this picture, his little arm here, okay, 1 quart is right there in the middle. within 1 quart, how many cups are there? Kelsey?
4.
4. So looking at this picture, does it make it a little easier?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, if I asked you, in 1 pint, how many cups are there? Well, there's only 2 connected here. So it only has to be 2. Now, this is where it gets confusing. If they say, how many cups are in 1 gallon? Well, that means I have to look at the entire picture. So then I have to count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everyone pick up with me here. 9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
So, in 1 gallon, how many cups are there? 1 gallon, how many cups are there, Jasmine? 16. Okay? So when you're working on these IXLs, you're not done yet. This picture does a really good job at showing you. Okay? If they say in 2 quarts, how many pints are in 2 quarts? Well, go on here, circle those. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I didn't put this picture on Canvas just so you can color it and not use it, okay? It's a tool. It's a reference sheet. Use it, ladies and gentlemen, okay? The more you use it, the easier you're going to start to remember stuff from it, okay? Because, on the iLearn, if this pops up, okay, they're not going to be like, oh, here's a Mr. Gallon picture. Okay? But this is for you to use right now. If you use it enough, you might start remembering what the picture looks exactly like, right?
Mm-hmm.
And possibly, I don't know if you have scratch paper, but if you get scratch paper during it, maybe as soon as you get the test, maybe you can start drawing or writing down stuff that you remember from math. That's what I usually do on a math test. If I'm studying for a big math test, as soon as I get my test, I start writing on a scratch piece of paper, some of the things I remember right away. So halfway through the test, you might not be able to remember. Okay? Any questions about customary units before we move on?